Hugo said that F Assets was going to launch soon. But the network launched in 2021. We've been waiting. Where are my F Assets? Don't worry, guys. Take a chill pill. Relax. Good times are coming. Better lock yourself in because we are on the verge of F Assets launching. And once it does, we are all going to be winning. Welcome back, Fleur community. I hope you're all well and having an incredible day as always. And yes, we're going to answer the question on everyone's lips. When F Assets? So we've recently just had an interview come out from Thinking Crypto, and we're going to listen to what Hugo says himself about when this is going to be. The exact timeline, when we can expect F Assets to launch on the Fleur network, and also just after that, we've got some breaking news from the Fleur team themselves. Let's jump in.
Absolutely. So Fleur's currently just really focusing on launching FXRP v1.2, which is effectively a modified version of the original F Assets that were launched on Songbird. It's already, v1.2 is already live on Songbird. It's currently undergoing a public audit, so an audit competition publicly, due to wrap up late September. So I believe on September 21st or 23rd, but I can't remember the exact date. Assuming that audit competition comes back, we'll be looking to launch F Assets directly. Comes back positive without any major findings. We'll be looking to launch F Assets directly after that. F Assets directly after that.
So you heard it from Hugo himself. F Assets is launching directly after the competition, providing there are no vulnerabilities found. As you can see here, this audit competition ends on the 23rd of September, which is for me a Wednesday, which is just around the corner. Now, whilst I was creating this video, we did get some breaking news from the Fleur team. If we go up here, we can see that this is an audit update of F Assets version 1.2. So far, there has been no major vulnerabilities found. After judging, awards will be announced, then its full focus on mainnet launch. So we know that this is going to end this week. How long does judging take place? How long will the awards take to be announced? Well, again, that is somewhat subjective, but these are all very trivial problems. From my perspective, I think it would make sense to at least wait until the audit comes back from this Immunify competition, which ends on the 25th of September. Coming back here to this recent post just 9 minutes ago, security for F Assets has always been a continuous process, not a one-off milestone. The system has already undergone at least 4 independent audits by leading firms such as Zelic, CoinSpect, alongside Immunify, powered bug bounties, and soon community-driven reviews like Code for Renner. Furthermore, the F Asset system, alongside the decentralized finance applications on Fleur, is monitored 24/7, 365 by Hypernative Labs. There are also extensive rapid response and security processes in place. This layered security approach reflects Fleur's commitment to ensuring that F Assets, a cornerstone of Fleur's vision, meets the standards of robustness demanded by capital markets and real-world applications. By securely connecting assets such as XRP to the network, F Assets will provide functionality that institutional participants and the broader DeFi community can trust from day one, And this is something very important to highlight. We know we have Vivo Power with $100 million worth of XRP to be utilized on the Flare network through F assets. We also know we have Everything Blockchain that recently made a partnership announcement. And this is in conjunction with other partners such as Uphold, who have shown interest, and Crypto.com that are all going to be utilizing the Flare network to earn yields on their FXRP. This really needs to be watertight, and as I said, it looks like we are on the horizon of something truly great. Once F assets launch, we're going to see an abundance of opportunities on how to earn yield, and if you're interested in trying to maximize that yield, please consider checking the link below for the Patreon group, where you will find an invite to the Flare Community Mastermind group. And this is where we're going to be strategizing and grabbing every opportunity we can to earn a sustainable passive income. That is pretty much the video for today. I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Please feel free to drop a like on the video and comment below. Do have yourself a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you all so much for watching. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.